Just now we have covered acetylation reaction at aromatic carbon. We had considered chlorobenzene, it can be any other example, even it can be benzene. Here the reaction, the acetyl group attacked in the form of electrophile. Therefore, the reaction which we have just now covered comes under what we call as electrophilic substitution reaction, SE reaction. Acetylation, another example which we are now going to consider. Let me directly tell you, it is not, it does not come under electrophilic substitution reaction, it is different. We have actually under certain topic we have covered this, let the point get repeated, it is important. Here the attack, the manner, the mechanism is different, it is not electrophilic substitution. Let us see what happens, how it takes place. Acetyl chloride, ethylamine, primary amine, lone pair of electrons on nitrogen attacks the carbon. Now, how or why it attacks, how can it attack? Carbonyl group is polar, oxygen is more electronegative, delta negative charge on oxygen, delta positive charge on carbon. Electron pair attacks the carbon. The moment this lone pair forms a shared pair, out of double bond, one is sigma, one is pi, the weakly shared pi gets transferred to oxygen, and what we get is this. Let me write it here. For the sake of understanding, let me use color. Carbon and the electron pair gets transferred to oxygen, therefore, it will develop lone pair, forms a bond pair, and therefore, this pi gets transferred to oxygen, developing negative charge. Or other groups, methyl on this side, chlorine on other side, we get this. The moment lone pair of electrons on nitrogen forms a shared pair, positive charge is developed on carbon. Because the lone pair earlier it was completely under the control of nitrogen, is now a shared pair, as if one electron is of carbon, and therefore, it develops a negative charge. Here earlier it was pi, now it gets heterolytically broken, negative charge is developed. So, as a whole the again molecule is neutral. But now, this nitrogen which has developed positive charge is electron deficient. The lone pair forms a bond pair, but during that course it has become electron deficient. It will pull either this NH bond or this, it will pull the shared pair towards itself, and hydrogen will go out in the form of H plus ions. The moment hydrogen goes out in the form of H plus ions, what we get, for the sake of understanding, let me write it here. And the hydrogen which goes out in the form of H plus, this hydrogen I have shown here. Routine two lone pairs which are always there on oxygen I have not shown, and now this electron pair gets shared between carbon and oxygen. The moment this electron pair gets shared, chlorine goes out in the form of Cl minus ions, that I will show here. Plus Cl minus ion. So, this is how, if we concentrate on this product, this is how. First, the attack of lone pair on nitrogen atom, lone pair of electrons attacks delta positive carbon, electron deficient carbon in carbonyl group. The moment the lone pair forms a shared pair, this pi electron gets transferred to oxygen. The positive charge is developed to compensate that electron deficiency. This electron pair remains with nitrogen. Therefore, heterolysis of NH bond, hydrogen is given out in the form of H plus ions. And the negatively charged, this electron pair extra. Now, when this gets shared, chlorine goes out in the form of Cl minus ions. So, the amine which has attacked initially, the lone pair attacks on carbon, it attacks in the form of nucleophile, and ultimately chlorine, the various stages, and ultimately in the final step, chlorine goes out in the form of Cl minus ions. I have written it here. So, it is again a nucleophile. So, attack of nucleophile of amine and removal of chlorine in the form of nucleophile. So, this is that way one nucleophile enters and one group, here in this case chlorine, goes out in the form of nucleophile, and ultimately what we get is hydrogen atom of this amine get replaced by acetyl group. So, if this were a hydrogen, it becomes this, hydrogen is ultimately replaced by acetyl group. So, this is acetylation, but this acetylation, the mechanism, nucleophile plays a part, attack of amine in the form of nucleophile, and ultimately chlorine gets removed in the form of nucleophile. This is a different mechanism, and earlier aromatic compound and acetyl chloride, it was electrophilic substitution. This is nucleophilic attack and removal of nucleophile. Why pyridine is used? Now, chlorine which in the last step, chlorine which comes out in the form of Cl minus ions, and hydrogen which was there removed in the form of H plus ions, ultimately they form HCl. And basically, although for the sake of mechanism we have used single arrow, basically this reaction is a reversible reaction, and as we know the basics of chemical equilibrium, the byproduct is HCl. If pyridine is used, pyridine as we know is a base, the lone pair and HCl, they react to give salt. So, because of use of pyridine, the byproduct HCl gets converted into salt, and therefore, HCl is not available for reverse reaction, and therefore, because of pyridine, the reaction otherwise is a reversible reaction. Because of use of pyridine, it goes more and more in forward direction. So, the purpose of use of pyridine is to convert a reversible reaction into single direction forward. In earlier case, anhydrous AlCl3 was used, aromatic ring acetylation, to convert electrophile. So, the conditions on arrows, the purpose is different and the mechanism is also different. Acetylation, the word is common, the concept, although. Up till now, we have covered two different mechanisms of acetylation. In one, attack of electrophile, and in another one, attack of nucleophile. Now, we will consider a different example. Actually, we will consider nitration of aniline, but while nitration of aniline, acetylation plays an important role. How? Let us consider. So, for nitration of aniline, we have to react normally nitration of any other compound, nitration of benzene, nitration of chlorobenzene. For nitration reaction, we use what we call as nitrating mixture. It is nothing but mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Actually, when concentrated nitric acid, the bonding is this, is reacted with concentrated sulfuric acid. These two react in such a way that the bond breaking takes place here heterolytically, and let me write the reaction in a reverse manner. So, OH group after heterolytic breaking of this bond and H plus from H2SO4, since it is concentrated, although it is diabasic, it is concentrated, therefore, one H plus ion is easily available as compared to the second H plus ions, and therefore, what we get is H2O plus, now since this is heterolytic breaking, NO2 plus ion, okay, nitroniumine it is called as, this is electrophile, plus HSO4 minus, one H plus ion from H2SO4, and this OH minus ion forms water, and what remains behind is NO2 plus and HSO4 minus. And this NO2 plus nitronium ion is expected to attack, and electrophilic substitution reaction, SE reactions take place in a similar way like what we had considered the electrophilic substitution of acetyl group in aromatic ring. And so, for nitration of aromatic ring, benzene, chlorobenzene, we use nitrating mixture, and NO2 plus will attack and hydrogen will go out in the form of H plus ions, a regular pattern. But here we use this mixture, concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, which react in this manner to give nitronium ion, NO2 plus ion, and it is expected that NO2 plus ion will enter and hydrogen will go out in the form of H plus ions. That is expected, but that purpose becomes secondary. The two acids react with each other to give nitronium ion, that process is there, but one more process, one more possibility takes place with more speed. H plus ions from acid and lone pair of electrons on NH2, they react H plus ion from acid, it can be HNO3 or H2SO4, they react, and what we get H plus ion from acid and lone pair of electrons from which is present on nitrogen and aniline, what we get is this. This is anilinium ion, NH3 plus. Now, since the lone pair has become a shared pair, the positive charge gets transferred on nitrogen, and therefore, this NH3 plus which is attached to this ring becomes electron pulling group, and because of that electron density in the ring decreases, and for routine other electrophilic substitution reactions from the resonating forms, the resonance of aniline we have studied earlier, we expect that SE reactions, ortho-para directing, should take place. But for this specific case, for nitration, we expected nitro group to take part in substitution reaction, and we would get orthonitroaniline and paranitroaniline. But before that, because of free H plus ions which are available from that mixture, aniline react with free H plus ions and forms this ion, and this group is now electron withdrawing group, the lone pair is not available, and therefore nitration it becomes deactivating because of this NH3 plus group. The electrophilics for electrophilic substitution reactions it becomes deactivating and meta directing. So we don't want this. Actually, we wish the nitration to take place at ortho and para, and for nitrating mixture we use this. But in addition to formation of nitronium ion, this also takes place, and this will result in decreasing the activity of this aniline and converting it to meta directing. Yield will be less, and that too it will be meta directing. So to avoid that, what we can do? To avoid this, to achieve what we want, we can protect this NH2 group. We can protect the lone pair and getting converted into this, which will make this compound less active and meta directing. That can be done by carrying out acetylation reaction. So if this is clear, let me remove this and I will show. First, acetylation is to be carried out. Because of acetylation, this group gets protected. Then we can carry out our desired expected nitration, and then we can lastly carry out hydrolysis. I will just remove this and again explain it properly. So, application of acetylation we are considering. Actually, our aim is to carry out nitration of aniline by using nitrating mixture. But if we directly use the nitrating mixture, the activity of this is reduced. I have explained it. So what we do is that we carry out acetylation of this first. Now acetylation of this which has NH2 group, the mechanism I have explained earlier. So I will not repeat it here. I will directly write the attack of lone pair, and then ultimately chlorine goes out in the form of Cl minus ions. The mechanism I have covered. So I will directly write that here. So what I get is this in presence of pyridine, so that reaction goes more and more in forward direction. The use of pyridine is to shift the equilibrium towards right, because pyridine reacts with byproduct HCl, that also we have covered. And action of acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine, what we get is this. So monoacetyl aniline we can call it as. Now nitration of this becomes easy. Earlier I had told you that for nitration purpose we use mixture of concentrated nitric acid and a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated H2SO4, this mixture. But along with that, the free H plus ions from the acid, they would deactivate this. So to avoid that, what we have done is that we have carried out acetylation of aniline. From this mixture, we get, that also I have told you earlier, NO2 plus ion. It works as electrophile. So this will attack. Now the other possibility, the lone pair and H plus ion from acid, that will, it will not vanish, but it will become negligible, because Now, after acetylation, the lone pair on nitrogen, it is present, but the lone pair on nitrogen is not easily available. Why it is not easily available? The simple reason is, this nitrogen is directly attached to carbonyl group. Carbonyl group has electron withdrawing tendency. So, electron density, if it gets pulled towards carbonyl carbon, the lone pair will be more with, it will have tendency, it will develop tendency, because the electron density, when it switches towards carbon, this nitrogen will try to hold the lone pair of electrons more towards itself. It will not be easily available. That is the simple reason. And the major reason, this reason is true, major reason, this is in conjugation. Lone pair sigma pi, or pi bond sigma bond lone pair. This is in conjugation, and therefore, lone pair forms a bond pair and pi gets transmitted. The resonance, we have seen this resonance earlier in amide. I will not show it in detail here, just I will mention because it is necessary. Because of the resonance, the lone pair gets decentralized over 3 nuclei. So, because of the resonance also, the lone pair on nitrogen in this form is not easily available for H plus ions, and therefore, that possibility H plus ions and lone pair, that possibility will become negligible here. And therefore, our main aim or intention of carrying out nitration, this mixture gives rise to nitro group, is now easily possible, and we get that compound. I will write it here. I will not show the mechanism. Similar mechanism, electrophilic substitution, like what we had considered, acetylation of chlorobenzene, acetyl group enters, resonating forms, hydrogen goes out in the form of H plus ions. Same pattern, carbon, hydrogen atom attached to the carbon is replaced by nitro group, and hydrogen comes out in the form of H plus ions. We get this. After we get this, after this is over, then if this is reacted with dilute acid, now it should be dilute acid, because water in large amount in presence of free H plus ions, it gets hydrolyzed, HOH, and after hydrolysis we get back NH2 and nitro group is already there. So, this is how we get para nitroaniline. So, aniline, to convert it into para nitroaniline, direct nitration of aniline is not possible by using this nitrating mixture. For that, we have to protect this, the activity of, we have to reduce the activity of lone pair, means we have to protect the NH2 group. So, we carry out acetylation first. Now, this lone pair is not easily available. Now, we carry out nitration, and after nitration is over, then hydrolysis reaction giving back NH2 group and byproduct, of course, acetic acid. So, this is how nitration of aniline is possible. So, the point which I want to make here is that acetylation, two types of acetylation we have covered. This is how acetylation is used to protect the group, especially NH2 group in aniline, or sometimes OH group in phenol, OH group directly attached to aromatic compound. So, knowledge of acetylation is very important.